Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer, and today I'm here with a brand new type of automatic litter box, the new ChillX AutoEgg. As you may have seen in my previous videos, I'm a huge fan of the Litter Robot automatic litter box, and the folks at ChillX reached out to me to check out the AutoEgg. Fully automatic, the AutoEgg is smaller, quieter, and cheaper than the Litter Robot, but is it a better choice for you? Let's take a look. Unboxing the AutoEgg, I was surprised to see how small and light it was in comparison with the Litter Robot. It comes almost fully assembled. You just have to take out some foam packing pieces, put in a waste drawer liner, plug in the USB-C charging cable, add litter, and attach the top cover. My cats were immediately curious about it and got right in. There seemed to be no confusion about what it was for. How does it work? The cleaning mechanism of the AutoEgg is an extremely slow-moving rake. It's remarkably quiet and doesn't seem to frighten cats at all, certainly not my cats at least. The cleaning cycle is triggered by the addition of more than 0.17 ounces or more than 5 grams of cat waste. This differentiates it from the Litter Robot, which is triggered simply by the weight of more than a 5-pound cat in the unit. Once that waste is detected, the AutoEgg will start a cleaning cycle 5 minutes later. Oh, and if your cat happens to climb in during the operation of a cleaning cycle, it will stop immediately, assuming that your cat is over the 1.1 pound weight detection limit. The waste clumps that the AutoEgg separates from the clean litter are deposited into a plastic bag-lined waste drawer, which generally needs to be changed out every 3 to 5 days for a single cat, and more frequently if you have 2 cats. No more than 2 cats are recommended for a single AutoEgg. No scooping is required to clean your AutoEgg, but you will need to change out the waste bag and add additional litter several times a week. Disassembly and more thorough cleaning are recommended by the manufacturer every 2 to 6 weeks. Cats between the weight of 4.4 and 15.4 pounds can use the AutoEgg, and again, the manufacturer does recommend that no more than 2 cats use a single AutoEgg. Power is provided by a Type-C USB-C charger, and it works worldwide. The unit uses standard clumping clay litter. Tidy Cats is recommended, and it comes with a starter supply of biodegradable waste bags, although any small plastic bag will work as well. Finally, the unit is backed by a 12-month warranty. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee, but the consumer does have to pay for return shipping, which is considerable due to the size and weight of the box. What's great about it? Number 1, it's extremely quiet, much quieter than the Litter Robot. Number 2, it's easy for your cats to get used to. It looks like a standard litter box to them, and it doesn't make frightening noises or twist or turn unexpectedly. There's a raking motion during the cleaning process, but it's so slow and so quiet that it's not going to disturb the vast majority of cats. Number 3, cool information panel. The touchscreen usage panel allows you to track the time, duration, and waste produced from each kitty visit, and if your cats are sufficiently far apart in weight, you'll be able to tell which cat made which visit because the weight of the cat is listed on the usage log. Number 4, the low entry step is excellent for senior cats or for those with mobility issues. Number 5, it is low profile and quite attractive as litter boxes go. It's going to fit into a lot more places than the Litter Robot. Number 6, it's nicely priced for an automatic litter box. Still a noticeable hit to the wallet at $399, but it's $50 to $100 cheaper than the Litter Robot depending on which model you choose. What's not so great? Number 1, the plastic construction seems a bit on the delicate side. I fear it's not going to stand up to vigorous cat use over time. This is really going to depend upon your cats. Some are much more rambunctious in the litter box than others. Number 2, the waste drawer has a rather small capacity and it doesn't slide very smoothly in and out of the unit. The waste bags that are included are biodegradable, which is great, but there are no clips for attachments, so they tend to slide about. Finally, the waste drawer is located on the back of the unit, directly opposite to the cat entry area, so it's awkward to get at if you have the unit located in a corner. Number 3, the top of the AutoEgg is lightweight and pretty easy to take off, but it's hard to get aligned correctly when putting it back on. Number 4, the USB-C cable is located very awkwardly on the bottom of the litter box, and it's hard to plug in. Number 5, The cat usage/health log touchscreen panel is located inside the unit, so to access it you need to take the top of the AutoEgg off. It would have been a much better design decision to have it on the outside of the AutoEgg. Number 6. The warranty is only for 1 year as opposed to the 18 months you get with the litter robot. Conclusion. So, do I recommend the ChillX AutoEgg? I think it's an interesting product, and it might work well for people who have cats that can't get used to the litter robot, or perhaps for people who find the litter robot to be too large, too expensive, too spaceship-like, or too noisy. It will also work for smaller cats than the litter robot will, which has a minimum cat weight of 5 pounds as opposed to the lower weight limit of 4.4 pounds for the AutoEgg. However, that much said, I would still recommend the litter robot over the AutoEgg for most people. It may cost $50 to $100 more depending on the model chosen, but it is a well-made, well-established product which comes with a longer warranty period and excellent customer service. The ChillX AutoEgg is available directly from ChillX as well as from other retailers, and it has an MSRP of $399, although there are discounts currently available. It comes in the all-white version shown in this review, as well as a pink-topped and a blue-topped version. Many thanks to the kind folks at ChillX for sending me out this sample to review. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments section below, and please hit that subscribe button because I have a lot more tech accessory reviews coming up. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer, and this is the AutoEgg from ChillX. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.